Hi, my name is Roopam Sharma. I'm 24 years old and I'm from India. I am an inventor and I generate social impact through disruptive technological inventions and solving perennial social problems using the exponential technologies of artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and Internet of Things. My name Roopam means form or avatar in Hindi.
What led you to become an inventor with the aim to create social impact through disruptive technological inventions?
Well, I would laugh if you told me back in the day when I was a child that I would be an inventor because this wasn't out of any of my creative desires or this is something that I was born and raised to do. I think primarily it happened in my engineering college that I started learning how to program. And when you talk about social impact in general, it was like one particular incident that really triggered the inventor in me. It was, a chance meeting with a woman in native India in a village where it was very accidental that I went there, and I saw this old woman. She was tied to her bed, and she was helpless. She was asking for help in the community. There wasn't like really much help available. In fact, her own family members like sort of disowned her and didn't really support her. So I didn't realize what the issue was. The situation was, but what I saw was like an old woman. She was very helpless. So that really moved me at that time. I didn't really know what to do. Later on, when I went back, I got to know that she had Alzheimer's. And when you talk about Alzheimer's in India, like there is very less awareness about that. So I wanted to do something for this. I ended up creating a wearable device called Emancipator, which is a position tracker system for the community. And while I was testing this out with the people, I engaged a lot with people with dementia. They shared their stories, their journeys with me, and that really moved me because I was an 18, 19-year-old kid who was, seeing perspective from his age group. I didn't really see what the other half was. So I think I went in a self-realization phase at that time, and I just thought to myself, what am I going to be doing for the rest of my life, and what is the legacy that I am leaving? So I, realized this, and I started looking for social problems, and since then I became a social inventor, and I'm always out there trying to make this world a better place and help people live a better life.
Could you tell us more about Manovue and some of the latest projects you're working on?
Sure. So over the last couple of years, I have been researching the bottom billion of the socio-economic pyramid, primarily trying to look for solutions in terms of healthcare, accessibility, technology, and things like that. My flagship work is a project called Manovue. So Mano is a Spanish word for hand, and view is a French word for vision. Manovue is the world's first intelligent wearable visual assistant that primarily helps people with blindness. Over the last 200 years, people who are blind or visually impaired, they've been reading with braille, the tactile system. The problem here in the 21st century is that not everything is available in braille. In fact, less than 1% of all the content that exists over the last 4,000 years of advent of reading and writing is available in braille. So it's a very, hassle situation for the community. What we have created is a device that is camera-based that you wear on your hand. There's a camera on the index finger. If you point your finger towards any sort of text, this device speaks out aloud what is written over there. So eliminating the need to go to a blind school, learn Braille and practice Braille, you can now have access to information on the go. Manovue not only helps people with visual impairment, but this technology has the potential to help other communities as well. For example, if you talk about people with dyslexia, people who are seeking translation in another language, people who are recovering from a brain trauma, ADHD, and multiple other opportunities. So this is what Manovue is. We are still working on reducing the cost of this technology in order to make sure that it reaches the bottom billion of the socio-economic pyramid.
What is it like being an inventor in India today?
Youth like me aren't generally, supposed to be inventors. Generally, what we do is like we look for like paycheck to paycheck options and go for a job. Like I think initially when I started out, I'm a first generation college student and first generation inventor. And so my parents like they literally like emptied their bank accounts just to make sure I was going to a college, to a university, and that really like drove me initially to go for a graduation job and get a job for that. But I think when I saw the community in India, when I saw people in need of social impact solutions, that really moved me. Uh, so 1.6 million people in India, like they graduate with engineering degrees, but not many of them end up being inventors. Like the ones who actually do, like they are like super duper inspirational because they've come through all these situations. They've broken the unconventional or the conventional. They've let go of the conventional wisdom and worked on a very different path. So those pathfinders are quite inspiring.
Is there another inventor in India who inspires you or who you admire, and why?
uh, Many people, but I think one who comes to the top of my mind now is Ramanujan, the Indian mathematician who became the second youngest fellow of the Royal Society in London. And so he really inspires me because his journey, he initially started out in poverty, in hardships, in very bad situations back in the 1900s, early 1900s. So at that time, we didn't have computers, we didn't have all the facilities that are available in the 21st century, and in a very impoverished state. He ended up contributing to mathematics in a very profound way, coming from such hardships, and which is like very, very inspiring, very impressive. I think we, living in 21st century, is itself a gift because we are given gifts of computing, gifts of various different technology which is available. But for me, when I went to the US for the very first time, like it was challenging, but I imagine how challenging it would have been for a person like him just to go from that situation to England in that area. So that is something that really drives me, like people like him, because they made a lot of they did a lot for humanity, they did a lot for mankind. And I think those are the kind of people who drive me, because right now, even we are recording this video, right? Most of the mathematical work, infinite series, fractions, functions, they're all based on, most of them are based on what Ramanujan did.
What do you think or hope will be the next disruptive technological invention?
I can't exactly predict because I would be a genius otherwise, but I think AI is certainly going to be one of the key influencers, primarily because there are three major trends that exist. One is a lot of data is being published, a lot of data is coming out. So this, proliferation of data combined with the second trend, that is like the cheap computing power, and leads to a bigger ecosystem, that is like the third trend. So these three, the confluence of these three things is certainly going to be the leading factor involved in the next technological disruption.